When it comes to personal protection, there's nothing more crucial than having the right tool for the job. And when it comes to self-defense pistols, there's no room for error. That's why having the right pistol can make all the difference in a life or death situation. In today's world, danger can lurk around any corner, whether it's a home invasion, a violent robbery, or a random attack on the street. A reliable self-defense pistol can protect yourself and your loved ones from harm. Choosing the right self-defense pistol isn't just about buying a gun, it's about investing in your safety and security. So we'll make your job easy by revealing the best self-defense pistols you must have. Subscribe to this channel and let's get started. When it comes to self-defense pistols, few names are more trusted than Glock, and the Glock 43 is a shining example of their engineering prowess. With a price range of $400 to $600, this slimline 9mm pistol is one of the most popular concealed carry guns on the market. The Glock 43 is a masterclass in minimalist design. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it easy to conceal and carry all day long. With a 6+1 capacity and a 3.39-inch barrel, the Glock 43 delivers accuracy and reliability in a package perfect for concealed carry. The Glock 43 is the epitome of less is more in self-defense pistols. Its slim profile and lightweight make it perfect for deep concealment, whether you're wearing a t-shirt or a suit jacket. For those looking for a genuine pocket-sized self-defense pistol, the Kahr PM9 is an excellent choice. At $500 to $700, this compact 9mm pistol is one of the smallest and most concealable guns on the market. But don't let its small size deceive you. The PM9 packs a serious punch with its 9mm chambering, making it a practical option for self-defense in tight spaces or at close range. With its polymer frame and stainless steel slide, the PM9 is lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry and reliable in any situation. The Kahr PM9 is a true pocket powerhouse. This ultra-compact pistol offers a surprising level of accuracy and reliability in a smaller package than your wallet. With a barrel length of just 3 inches and an overall length of 5.3 inches, the PM9 is designed for deep concealment, making it an ideal choice for discreet carry in any environment. The Springfield XDS is an excellent choice for a compact, reliable self-defense pistol. With a price range of $400 to $600, this single-stack pistol offers a low-profile design perfect for concealment without sacrificing performance or reliability. The XDS packs a serious punch with its 45 ACP or 9mm chambering, giving you the power and accuracy you need in a dangerous situation. Its comfortable grip and intuitive safety features make it easy to use and operate under pressure. The Springfield XDS is a masterclass in concealed carry design. With its slim profile and lightweight construction, it disappears under clothing, making it perfect for everyday carry, but its compact size doesn't mean it sacrifices firepower. The XDS delivers a powerful punch with every shot thanks to its 45 ACP or 9mm chambering. With its ergonomic grip and intuitive safety features, the XDS is easy to handle and manipulate under stress, giving you the control and accuracy you need in self-defense. For those who appreciate German engineering and quality craftsmanship, the Heckler Koch VP9 is a top choice for self-defense pistols. With a price range of $600 to $900, this 9mm pistol is known for its precision, durability, and ergonomics. The VP9 is designed with Heckler & Koch's famous modular grip system, which allows users to customize the grip size, backstrap, and side panels for a perfect fit. The Heckler & Koch VP9 is a testament to German engineering and attention to detail. Its polygonal barrel improves accuracy and reliability, and its ambidextrous controls and trigger are designed for maximum efficiency and ease of use. If you're looking for a high-end self-defense pistol with a reputation for accuracy and ergonomics, the CZ75 SP01 is a perfect choice. With a price range of $700 to $1,000, this full-size 9mm pistol is one of the most popular competition and tactical handguns on the market. The CZ75 SP01 is renowned for its comfortable grip, intuitive controls, and exceptionally smooth trigger, making it a favorite among shooters of all skill levels. The CZ75 SP01 is a true work of art in the world of self-defense pistols. Its full steel construction and ergonomic grip make it a pleasure to shoot, with virtually no recoil and a natural point of aim that's hard to beat. Here's a tip for choosing a self-defense pistol. Don't sacrifice comfort and shootability for features or accessories. Loading your pistol with every bell and whistle imaginable is tempting, from lasers and sights to extended magazines and compensators. But remember, the best self-defense pistol is the one you're comfortable shooting and can use effectively under pressure. So focus on finding a pistol that fits your hand, has intuitive controls, and offers smooth recoil and a comfortable grip. These factors will make all the difference when your life is on the line. If you're looking for a modern full-size self-defense pistol with cutting-edge features, the Walther PDP is a top contender. With a price range of $600 to $900, this 9mm pistol is packed with advanced features that make it a standout choice for civilians and law enforcement alike. The PDP boasts a customizable grip with interchangeable backstraps, a patent-pending dynamic performance trigger, and a rugged and lightweight polymer frame that makes it comfortable to carry and shoot. The Walther PDP is a technological marvel in the world of self-defense pistols. Its intuitive dynamic performance trigger provides a short, crisp pull with a clean, consistent break, making it ideal for precision shooting and rapid follow-up shots. We hope you've enjoyed our tour of the top self-defense pistols for 2024. Remember, choosing the right pistol is more than picking the coolest looking gun. It's about finding the pistol that fits you, your lifestyle, and your needs. So before you decide, research, try out different guns, and find the one that feels right in your hand. And when you've found that perfect pistol, train regularly and stay proficient with your weapon. As always, we appreciate your support and feedback. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on self-defense weapons and survival tips. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it helpful. If you have any questions or feedback about the self-defense pistols we've covered for you today, do leave a comment down below. Your input helps us create better content for our community. Until next time, thanks for watching.